we got a good gap anyways.
Yeah, no, we'll be fine.
I'll do a nice warm-up lap.
Yeah.
And then kick it the second one.
Nice. Yeah, I want to see your lines on like 4 and like 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got all the nannies on. That's what I've been traction off the whole time. I can feel how much, like, because you can take 9 way quick. Well, less sketched out, I should say. Yeah. You got them all off. You can take out at any moment. You got me thinking maybe I should just leave traction control on and try a couple laps, because I can tell you're leaning on it in 4.
Yeah.
And you lean on it in 9. Because if I come in that hot with traction off, I'm fucking
he's
doing a nice slide and
oh no, I mean it's my street car. I mean I'm just gonna leave the traction control. If it was my race car, I'd be throwing it around, but
yeah.
I mean I'm not trying to take any risk with
No, I feel you. I'm just thinking like the difference, you know, in grip level.
Yeah,
because
true.
I know because I can tell you're on the gas and the car is working itself out and then letting you go.
Yeah.
So I like it. It makes me remember, like, oh yeah, I could do that and I'll probably be faster.
Yeah, it definitely helps out.
Yeah. No, were you even in MDM or no?
No.
No, just normal.
Yeah.
Nice. I
probably should have. It was kind of holding me back a little bit.
Yeah, I could feel it, like, but no, this thing rips, dude. It's sick.
Yeah, thanks.
And I'm surprised into turn 2 that well, I mean, you can only do that so many times, but that's about how deep I'm going into turn 2.
Yeah.
but multiple times, so.
Yeah, I'm only doing like 2 laps at a time.
Yeah.
If I did that every lap, my brakes would be dead.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, that was fun. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no
Appreciate
worries.
it.